I'm working as a head HR and compliance in Pakistan in a private company, OMS Private Limited. They provide consultancy services to the power sector. I was here to attend a conference on business management and innovation, but somehow I submitted to this science and technology, but it is good, although I was late to identify the location. So, but it's quite well. I mean, I like the environment and people, young people over there. So, you know, AI is now much in, and people are everybody talking about it. So, I attended a little bit, but it was nice, and they have managed it very well. And I would also suggest many people to attend from their forum. So it will help people to enhance their knowledge and everything.
Great.
Thank you.
And I'm a master's student in Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. I came all the way to Ireland, to US from Ireland. And I was actually registered to do nursing conference, but then they logged me in science conference. But at the end of the day, I learned a lot of things, especially with the Tesla, because I was actually planning to buy a Tesla, and so I learned a lot of things, and then I think it's well organized, and then it's a kind of improvement on the financial and management. And it was nice seeing young people that are doing their PhD in chemistry. I think is amazing that somebody is doing PhD in chemistry, but then it is fine. It's a well organized conference, and if they are doing it next year, I would also like to attend. And thank you very much for the opportunity that is given to us today to learn a lot of things. And